Everybody makes mistakes or goof or gaff. But look at us now. What are we like? You simply have to laugh. We're unusual. We're unique. Built by geeks. In other words, whoever designed us must be mad. We know a guy who was built to run on locks. It's no wonder that we look so odd. But what can we do? What can we do? What can we do? Anything. It's true. We're originals. We're one of a kind. We're upside down and forward to behind. That's not the only place that we could ever belong. We're always trying to do our best. Sadly, we really passed the test. Give us a job. Give us a test. Whatever it is, you'll be sorry that you asked. But what can we do? What can we do? What can we do? Anything. It's true. We're lumpy and bumpy. We haven't got the puff. They're trying to make us bad, but sometimes enough. We're wobbly and knobbly and our good with us. If practice makes you perfect, we're the one that they never won of us. But what can we do? What can we do? What can we do? Anything. It's true. We can't do anything. That's true. We can't do anything.